One. Hey everybody, it's Pinion, and today I have a 1 out of 2 part video where I'll be drawing the whole family as dogs. So Anthony is a dachshund and Lucy's a corgi. So I decided to make Lucy a corgi because she's really cute, but she's more trouble than you'd expect, and I have evidence of that with corgis. And Anthony's a dachshund just because I thought it would be cute. Yeah. So I'm drawing, and I just started with sketching the basic shapes for them. And my dachshund, I didn't want to look too much like a dachshund. I wanted him to look like a dachshund, but I didn't want him to be super skinny and weird looking. I don't think dachshund puppies are that skinny. So I think that might have made him look a bit less like a dachshund. But yeah, I also did a new kind of technique with their mouths that I don't generally do for animals, normal animals like ungulate animals. Okay, so here I am penning it, and the ears I did for Lucy, not a technique I generally do in animals' ears, because I thought if I did the normal technique I do, then it might not look very much like a dog. It would probably just look more like a cat. So yeah, going over the eyes. I really love the expression I put on Lucy, and yeah, doing some black shading over the eyes. And time. I also really love how Anthony's little doggy ears turned out. I think that looks really cute. And yeah, here's the technique I did with the mouth. That's pretty new. I've never done that before, except for when I made these. Which, by the way, was like a month and a half ago from the time I'm doing the voiceover. That was in our old campsite, one of our old campsites. So, what's in his mouth, you may be wondering? I tried to do a squeak, a pull, tug-of-war thing. Our dog used to have one of those and he loved it. It looked kind of like a bunch of knotted rope just tied together and everything. I tried to make it look like that for this one, but I'm not quite sure how successful it was. It looks kind of weird. So yeah, I think I did better on the second end of the rope than on the first end, but it still doesn't look very much like a rope. Yeah, okay, now I'm done. And then I did the collars, obviously. Worked a bit with the muzzle because I thought it looked kind of flat. I love drawing paws. That's one of my favorite things to draw in the history of ever. It's paws and tails are my two favorite things to draw. So yeah, I think this drawing turned out pretty cute, pretty well. Here are all the colors I need. A bunch of blues and browns and some pink. So just coloring the eyes. The eyes are black, and you know how dogs have brown eyes. I decided to do brown eyes for them. Also, they as people have brown eyes. Yeah, I decided to make her the most basic corgi colors. yeah, basically bright tan color, like really orangish tan with white around the muzzle and stuff. I really love how this picture turned out, actually. This is probably my favorite of all the ones I did in this video. Just because it's so cute. Okay. I also did some, like, dark brown on all the fuzzy spots. I do that sometimes. Although you can't tell at the moment, because why isn't it doing anything? Okay, yeah, here I'm doing the dark brown at the fuzzy spots. There we go. Doo-doo-doo. Just coloring. Yeah, I just okay, I really hesitated over what color to do the nose, but I settled on black because dogs have black noses. But I thought pink would be cute at first, and then I thought it would make it look a bit like a cat. And I'm just coloring in the rope and the collar, basically the same color, but actually they're two different crayons. I didn't know they'd be so similar color to each other when I did it. Just doing some brown on the dachshund. Yeah, I really think he looks way too much like a chocolate lab or just a brown mutt dog or something, mixed breed. But it works, he's cute, and he was also basically the first dog I've ever done. Since I actually learned how to draw it. I don't draw dogs very often. So yeah, just coloring. He's basically all one color. Not a very complicated color scheme. And now we're just doing the dark black, brown. And now we're moving on to the next group of dogs. Okay, Junior is a chocolate lab, and Colby is a yellow lab. I think they're called yellow labs, right? Yeah. Anyway, I didn't show the actual sketching of this part because the last part was just way too long. So yeah, they're just both sitting up in like a, not really a begging position, but kind of. Yeah. I also have to be careful not to add any fluff where the collar is, because collars don't generally have fluff. I think they both turned out really cute with their little doggy ears. If anything, Colby's dog mouth is a little bit crooked, like a little bit sideways. If they've got a little doggy bowl too. Don't know why I put a heart there. It's like full of food. And now I'm doing Junior with this collar. These collars have dog tags and Lucy's in it, then you didn't. I don't know why. I guess I just didn't think about it when I did that. But yeah, as you can see by the sketches, I had a bit of trouble with Junior's muzzle, so I just did it. I don't think it turned out really that great, but it works. So yeah, it's cute. It just looks a bit too short, not quite doggy-ish. More like a hamster. Okay, I'm erasing just basically everything that's not gonna be colored over. And a lot more in Colby's dog because he's gonna be a lighter color. And yeah, here are my colors. I used that timer because it was super windy while I was drawing. So yeah, they both have matching colors. It looks really yellow, but it was actually green. So yeah, Junior's dog has brown eyes, but I actually gave Colby's dogs blue eyes. I don't think dogs rarely ever have blue eyes unless they're like huskies, but I decided it'd be cute. Besides, Colby has blue eyes in real life anyway. So yeah, he's just coloring Junior some brown, nice chocolatey brown. Dun 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 dun. Anywho, I kind of got a little bit impatient when I was coloring Junior's and Colby's. I think I might have been almost lunchtime, so I wanted to get this part of the video done with real quick so I could go eat. But yeah, doing some darker brown, you can't really tell very much. But yeah, little tongue. Okay, now I moved on to Colby dog. And yeah. Like I said, he has blue eyes. I think that makes him look much cuter than if he would have had brown. But, I don't know. He's a really pale yellow color. I think, if anything, it might be too bright for a yellow lab. I think they're generally more goldenish, but it works. I think it's pretty cute. Okay, now we're getting ready to move on to our next pair of doggies, which is Abby and Nadine. Okay, so Abby's a German Shepherd because she's pretty well trained, and Nadine is a poodle. I don't know why she's a poodle, but so yeah, I decided for Nadine that Marie, I was just gonna do a normal, basic poodle haircut like everyone has for poodles, and I'm gonna explain their toys real quick. So they each have different toys, like they both have balls, but Abby's is the color of Marie's collar, and Marie's is the color of Abby's collar. So like they took each other's toys, basically. And you can't really see what I'm doing for most of the part. No, isn't that lovely? I have great video skills. So while I'm drawing these dogs, I just want to give a real quick announcement. I do in fact have a shop where I sell my clay dragons and my like rainbow loom bows, hair bows and stuff, and some crochet patterns hopefully in the future. That'll be a link in my description. Anyway, now that's over with. Okay, so yeah, just can't see what I'm doing. Isn't that pleasant? If you're wondering about the lighting, that's just because it was a really cloudy day and the cloud kept going above the sun. Here you can see what it looks like, at least the poodle part. They do have heart-shaped tags. I just thought that would be super cute. See, her collar and bow are blue, and Abby's collar is purple. So yeah, just doing a lighter gray color, and I'm doing a darker black for the fluff to give it more definition and depth. Yeah, she was a pretty simple design too, but I do think she turned out really cute and pretty. So yeah, there's Abby's blue, purple collar and a blue ball. Why is it black? So yeah, everybody, thanks for watching real quick, and please like and subscribe, and see you later. Bye bye.